In this tutorial, we are discussing about the history and philosophy of Java. So we all know that Java was developed in 1995 by James Gosling. But you know why Java was developed? What is the need of Java? The reason is that Java is platform independent. As we know that C++ is also an object-oriented programming language, but it is not platform independent. It is the platform dependent language. So, we want a programming language which is both object-oriented and platform independent, and we form the programming language that is Java. Let's start with the history of Java. Java was conceived by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems in 1991. And yes, it took 18 months to develop the first working version. Initially, it was called as Oak, but it was renamed Java in 1995. Let's start the history of Java with year-wise. What happened in 1990? A team of Sun Microsystem Programming headed by James Gosling was formed to develop special features which is used for consumer electronic device. Yes, initially Java was developed for the consumer electronic device. And then in 1991, a new language that is Oak was introduced by the team. In 1993, Oak transformed the text-based internet into a graphical-rich enterprises. In 1995, Oak was renamed as Java, and hence in 1995 we consider that Java was released. In 1996, Java language became famous for using object-oriented approach. In 1997, Java Development Kit that is JDK 1.1 was released. In 2010, Oracle acquires the Sun Microsystem. In 2015, Java celebrates the 20 years of innovation. And in 2018, Java Standard Edition 11 release and its updates are available. Let's consider the philosophy of Java. What are the reasons behind the philosophy of Java? Why Java was become so powerful, so famous programming languages? Because of its 5 philosophies. The first one is it used the object-oriented programming philosophy. The second one is the program should be executable on multiple operating systems, that is platform independent. Third one is it was built for supporting the computer networks. It is designed to execute the code from the remote source and it was secured. Last but not the least is it should be easy to use. Now let's start with the first philosophy, that is object-oriented programming philosophy. In object-oriented programming language, everything revolves around the object. The first characteristic, that is OO, refers to the object orientation, which means that it is the method of programming and a language design. We all know that there are many interpretations of OO, that is object orientation, but it was designed to manipulate or combine the data and code. Thus, data and code are combined into an entity and this entity is known as object. Now move further with our second philosophy, that is platform independent. Platform independence means that the program written one and run anywhere. One should be able to write a program once and run it anywhere. This is achieved by Java compiler by compiling the Java language code halfway to bytecode, specifically known as Java bytecode. It simplified the machine instruction specific to the Java platform. Now move further with our third and fourth approach, that is computer networks and remote source. To achieve the goals of networking support and remote code execution, Java programmers sometimes find necessary to use extensions such as Corba, Internet Communication Engine, or OSGI. With the help of this extension, we can achieve the goal of networking support and remote code execution. Now let's discuss about the another concept of philosophy of Java, and it is automatic garbage collection. Yes, Java has a special feature known as automatic garbage collection. And the idea behind the automatic garbage collection is to protect Java from memory leak. Yes, sometimes what happen, we have stored all the objects and we don't restore it. We don't remove it from our memory. And this type of phenomenon is known as memory leak. This occurs the condition of memory leak. And with the help of automatic garbage collection, Java managed to protect the memory leak condition. The programmer determines when objects are created, and the Java runtime is responsible for managing the object's lifecycle. The program or other objects can reference an object by holding a reference to it. When no reference to an object remains, the Java garbage collector automatically deletes the unreachable object, or it freeing the memory and preventing the memory leak. So these are the things we learn in philosophy and history of Java. Thank you.